I will let you know. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. We Aradhya, please remove this background.
Ma'am, we were doing that about circle definition.
Yeah, we were doing about the parts of a circle. Please, okay. I will wait
Ma'am,
1 or 2 minutes more.
ma'am, you saw the recording that
I saw.
Manya was kept copying you, and Divit was shouting.
Okay. Means you all have enjoyed the Teachers' Day celebration that
Ma'am,
day.
Divit and Manya is active.
Yeah, I know.
Ma'am, and all was shouting. He got angry. When the Divit was speaking in between only she wasn't able to tell anything.
Okay. Now the time started. Please quiet, sit in the class.
Connect.
Turn on your camera, everyone. I request everyone to turn on the camera, please.
And today we are doing about code, I think.
I will tell you everything what we are doing. We have not started
Excuse
yet.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Vanya.
I want to tell you something.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, on Monday in English class, I did your mimicry.
I saw
Did
the
you see
video.
that?
Yes. Very nice that
How?
you are now you know what the teacher, what efforts and the load the teacher is taking.
Yes, ma'am. My father is
Actually,
also a teacher now. That I
yes,
know that. So I got to know that. It's so
very good.
hard to
And
be a teacher.
yes, it's hard to be a teacher. And
And
even
everyone
though
was troubling me so much. But
I
I
know, I
didn't
know.
give up.
Yes, very good. That is the main thing in yours that you didn't give up. You continue taking the class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you.
So now, please, I start the class. Niva, Aradhya, turn on your camera, please. Unmute your mics, everyone. So in our last class, we have done about the parts of a circle. Parts of a circle means first we did what is a circle, what is the center of the circle. Dhyan Patel, sit straight and listen first. Suchi Mali, turn on your camera. Niva, turn on your camera, please. If you don't sit with the camera on, please leave my class. It is highly advisable to you all. Please leave. Suchi, leave. Better if you don't turn on. Yes, Danya, turn on your camera, please.
Good morning, ma'am. What are you doing?
We are just revising what we have done in the last class. Join on time next time. I suggest everyone to join on time. So, in the last class, we have done what is circle. We have done what is the center of the circle. We have done what is the radius of the circle, diameter of the circle, chord, and the circumference. These are the parts of a circle which we have done in the last class. And I told you I will send the notes today. You write down the definition in your notebook. Okay?
Ma'am, I
After the
have.
class,
Ma'am,
yes, Tej Kumar.
I don't understand circumference.
Circumference is the boundary. Okay? Is the boundary of a circle. That how much space is occupied by this. What is the perimeter? Right? What is the outer space of this? Which you will learn how to calculate the perimeter of a circle in your higher grades. Circle is a closed figure. Are you all agree is a closed figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No corners,
Ma'am, now we can.
no corners, no edges. Circle is
Yes,
a closed figure. It has no corners, no edges. Go to the center part. What is the center of a circle? A center
ma'am.
of a circle means from where the distance to any part or any point to the boundary of a circle will be same. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
In case if I am not audible, please let me know because I am
Ma'am, can
thinking
you
that I
speak?
am facing a network issue.
Ma'am, can you tell again?
I think there is some network issue. Am I audible, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, but can you tell again because there was something.
With Moksha, we have done center already. Can you explain me what is the center of a circle?
Ma'am, center of the circle is that means a line segment that.
We are not doing line segment for the center.
Ma'am, from center to the boundary line, if we draw any line, it will be means any line. It will be same to same, so it is the mean
You
center.
can say from the center, a point to the boundary, any point to the boundary of a circle, the distance will be same. If I say from here, from this center point, a point to the boundary of a circle which is A, the distance from O to A will be same as the distance from O to E. Then we can say it's the center of a circle. I cannot draw a center here. The distance from here to the boundary of this, the on the boundary, this and this, if I draw, will be different from. So this is not the center of a circle. This is the center because from the center, any point to the boundary of a circle, the distance will be same. Am I clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
The radius. What is the radius? A
Ma'am,
line segment passes a line segment from the center to the boundary of a circle. From the center, not passes from the center. Passes from the center will be the diameter. A line segment from the center to the boundary of a circle is the radius. What is the diameter? A line segment passes from the center of a circle, touches the whose both the end points are on the boundary of a circle. जिसके दोनों end points boundary पे है. So in this we can say DE is the diameter of a circle. What is the chord of a circle? Both the end points are on the boundary of the circle, but they are not passing from the center of the circle. Right? So we can say that diameter can be a chord, but chord cannot be a diameter. Got it? Clear? Can I move further? Circumference is the boundary of a circle. Now I have drawn one figure for you. Here I have done something lines and point and numbering, naming I have given. If I ask what name the center of the circle, so what you will give? What is the center of the circle here? Which point is the center of the circle? Yes, Moksha.
Ma'am, O point.
O. So we only write O is the center. If I ask write about what is the diameter of a circle, so what you will write, Tej Kumar? What you will write? What is the
0 to
diameter?
E and 0 to D.
It is not zero, first of all, it's a O.
O to E
No,
and
no, no. The O to D and O to E will be the radius.
okay, ma'am. E and D.
Not E and D. E D. E एंड डी करोगे तो वो एक ई पॉइंट हो जाएगा और डी पॉइंट हो जाएगा, पर हमको डी से ई तक का पूरा डिस्टेंस लेना है. सो वी राइट ई डी is the diameter, not E and D, not E to D. So you write ED is your diameter. Okay. What is the radius, Suchi, in this? How many radius, first of all, Suchi, give me in this figure? How many radius?
3.
How many?
3.
Not audible to me.
Ma'am, she is saying 3.
If you are saying 3, then it's right. Manya, can you tell me which 3 radius are in this?
Yes, ma'am. First is O to A, then
Not
O
2.
to D,
You say OA,
OA, OD,
OD,
and OE.
and OE are the 3 radius. Vedant, which is the chord in this circle?
Ma'am, the chord is FG. FG.
Yes, FG is the chord in this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, because of a network connection, I left. So, ma'am, we are doing about diameter and radius and chord only.
Yes, yes, we are doing about this only. In this figure, what is the center, what is the diameter, what is the radius, how many radius, and what is the chord.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now take out your notebook, everyone. There are some pointers which you need to remember it. Write down in your notebook. All radii. Of radii, that day also Moksha asked me what is the difference between radii and what is the difference between radius. What is radius and what is radii? Radii means when you have more than one radius, it means you are talking about the plural. Suppose here are three radius. So we say there are three radii. All radii of a circle are of equal length. Radii jitne bhi ho, whether here are three, so the length of all the radii will be equal. This is
Ma'am,
also
we have
four.
to
This is
write
the,
these points.
yes. Write points to remember in your, write the heading points to remember. Chapter number 8. Write it in your notebook.
And we
All
can
radii.
start from that we have written.
No, no. Use the next page. All radii of a circle are of equal length. A diameter is twice of radius. Means I have explained you diameter is always the double of the radius. Suppose if I say the radius is 2 centimeter, what will be the diameter, students?
4. Ma'am, what is spelling of radii?
It's written there on the screen. Radii. A diameter is the longest chord of the circle, which we have already revised. A chord is a line segment and join 2 points on the circle. Radius is the line segment which joins center of the circle to any point of the circumference of the circle.
Ma'am, we have to find diameter, so we have to plus radius.
I will tell you that also. Suppose if you have a radius 2 centimeter, right? So 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter means 2 times. When you add 2, then you will get the diameter. Either you multiply 2 with the 2, or you will add 2 plus 2. For example, if the radius is 3 centimeter, multiplied with the 2, 3 2s are 6, or add 3 2 times, 3 plus 3.
Ma'am, can you repeat the all points?
Are you not able to see from the board?
No.
My
Yes, we are.
screen is visible, no? Start
Ma'am,
writing. Start writing in the notebook.
ma'am, what we have to write the heading for
It's
points,
written. It's written there.
points to remember.
Yeah, points to remember. All radii of a circle are of equal length. A diameter is twice of a radius. A diameter is the longest chord of a circle. A chord is a line segment and join two endpoints on the circle. Radius is the line segment which joins center of the circle to any point of the circumference of a circle. Are you all writing?
What line segment which you have radius is a line segment which joins said
Which
center
child is
of the
speaking this?
circle. Kashi. Sorry, ma'am.
Ashvi, mute yourself, please. Children, please write fast.
Ma'am, we have to all write that you have write in the board.
Yeah, all.
Okay, ma'am.
All pointers which are here on the screen.
Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am, we in this they have written in capital, so we have to write in capital.
Not necessary.
Oh.
Ma'am, we can leave a space between the dots.
Which dots?
The points.
आप जैसे लिखते हो वैसे, हाँ, वन वन लाइन लीव, वन वन लाइन आफ्टर every point.
But I have not lived in 3 dots.
No problem.
After God, what is it?
Radius. Radius is the line segment which joins center of the circle to any point of the circumference of the circle. Are you all writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
I have not done. No, ma'am, I am on the last point. Yeah, I'm in the. I'm I
Oh, I'm on the last. I'm on the last.
Noted. Please write.
I'm done.
Done, everyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Third point.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, please complete fast.
Done, ma'am.
Done, everyone?
Ma'am, my
Ma'am,
only
I'm the
last line is left. Last line.
Ma'am, can I take
Ma'am, I am on the
Take a
grade 4.
screenshot. Take screenshot, students.
Ma'am, I am on last two.
Ma'am, when I am taking a screenshot, my screen is showing black only.
Please write then fast.
Ma'am, I've taken the screenshot.
My
Ma'am,
last
taken.
forward is
Okay, if you have taken those who are writing, please write fast.
my last forward is only.
Please fast, Vivant Obaria, instead of talking.
Ma'am, done.
Done.
Okay. So, children, can you see something here on my board?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which child is saying no? I heard a voice, someone was saying no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Niva, it's not clear to you?
Ma'am, it is, but someone said no.
Now it's visible? Okay. So what are you observing here? What is there on my screen, students?
Radius. It is a radius.
Okay, it's radius and anything else?
Ma'am, I can.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am,
Manya.
it's the small to big circle, a center point, and a radius.
Yes, there are some small, some big circles are there. Center point is there, radius is there. So what are you observing? Why the radius is different in all the circles?
Ma'am, may I?
And why the
Ma'am, I
size
can say.
is
Ma'am, the
different?
May I?
size of the circle is small.
May I say?
Yes, Maidant.
The
Ma'am,
size.
ma'am, this like this big one has different length because it
Which
has the
length?
bigger.
That length is called what?
That length is called line segment. This line is
This
the
is what?
radius.
Radius.
So the
So can
radius
you
has
please? Yes.
different length because it is big. It is big. It has different
Yes. So the bigger
shape.
the radius, the bigger will be the circle. Always remember, the bigger the radius, the bigger will be circle. जितना बड़ा radius होगा, उतना ही बड़ा circle होगा. Am I clear with you all? Suppose the radius is 4 centimeter here in this. So the circle is this. And suppose this is 5 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter. So which radius is bigger in this? The radius of this circle, right?
5. Yes.
Yeah, the radius of the this is first circle, second circle, third circle, and the fourth circle. So the radius of the fourth circle is bigger. So we can say the circle will also be bigger in this, because the bigger the radius, the bigger will be the circle. जितना बड़ा radius होगा उतना ही बड़ा circle होगा. Suppose I will give you a radius of 3 centimeter. Draw a circle with the radius of 3 centimeter and draw a circle with the radius of 8 centimeter. Which circle will be bigger?
8 centimeter. 8
ma'am,
centimeter.
we have to draw. Ma'am, we
No,
have
no.
to.
Suppose I'm telling, imagine I'm giving you to draw a circle of 3 centimeter and draw a circle of 8 centimeter. So imagine in your mind and tell me which circle will be bigger.
8
8
centimeter.
centimeter. Now imagine two things in your mind. One is bangle, one is coin. Which circle will be bigger?
Bengal. Bengal.
Why?
Because it is bigger than the
All answers are coming
bigger
together.
than the coin. Because the size is bigger.
Okay, now in the bangle only, there are two types of bangle. One is the size of Manya's hand and one is size of my hand. So which bangle is having a bigger
Your
radius?
hand, your hand.
My hand, right?
Yes.
So this is clear to you all?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I will play one story for you. You have to listen the story based on the circle.
And we have to write that story.
No, just listen, enjoy it.
But Chinu, if you trace a circle for the sun with my bangle, you will get a big sun. I think you should use the cap of a bottle. That will be the right size for your sun drawing.
Oh, you are right, Meenu. Let me use a bottle cap. Look.
See, because he is drawing one picture, and that picture, if you want to draw a sun, if he will use the bangle, the circle will be bigger. So she has suggested him to take the bottle cap and draw the proper appropriate circle of the small size, right?
What a nice round sun I have. I will color it yellow now.
Whenever I draw the sun, I like to color it orange.
But I like yellow. Meenu, Chinu, listen. Sahil, Sheila, Gopi, Shama, and Jitu have come to our house to play. Oh, that will be lots of fun. Come, let's all play. Sahil, why have you brought a tire? What do you do with this? I like to play with my tire. See, I have this small stick. I push my tire with this stick. I keep pushing it right from my home and it keeps rolling. I know it rolls because it is a round tire, just like my ball. It is also round.
Okay, Sahil, keep your tire there.
Let us all play a game together. Let's all sit in a circle and pass a ball.
Grandma, you can sing a song. We'll keep passing the ball. When you stop singing, whoever has the ball has to do whatever the others ask him to.
Okay, Grandma. We are sitting in a circle now. Let's start. But no cheating, Grandma. Turn that side.
Okay, no cheating. But I will peep with one eye, and when the ball is with you, Chinu, I will stop singing.
Grandma, you don't have to peep with one eye. I will quietly come and whisper in your ears when the ball is with Chinu.
Okay, no cheating. Let's start the game now.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Oh, Grandma has stopped singing. The ball is with
See, they are
Sahil.
playing the game in the
What
circle.
should
They are
he
sitting in
do?
a circle.
Sahil, can you hop like a frog?
Sahil, that was a nice frog hop. Grandma, let's start again.
Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Meenu's turn. Meenu, you have to sing like Lata Mangeshkar.
Lata Mangeshkar? How can anyone sing like her? She's the best.
Oh, Meenu, just try. Sing any of her songs.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहीज पीड़ पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहीज पीड़ पराई जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे तो हे मन अभिमान नाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहीज पीड़ पराई जाने रे.
That was very sweet, Meenu. When our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, heard Lata Mangeshkar, he had tears in his eyes. She is very, very good.
Meenu, tell me, why are you all sitting in a circle?
That is how this game is played. It is easy to play the game when you are sitting in a circle. If we make a rectangle or a square, we cannot play as well as we can play sitting in a circle.
You played some other game also that day, sitting in a circle. What was that?
Ooh, that one! We have to first sit in a circle. Then one person starts running around the circle and drops a handkerchief behind anyone.
Then that person has to pick up the handkerchief and start running to catch the person who dropped the handkerchief. Again, you can drop the handkerchief behind anyone and pat them. They have to start running after picking up the handkerchief.
This game, most of the
We
students, you
keep
also play.
running round and round.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If the person who is to be
Yes,
caught sits in the empty place, then he escapes. It goes on like that.
Oh, that's a nice game. You also stand in a circle and play in school. Yes, our sports teacher makes us stand in a circle and throw the ball. It helps us in catch practice.
Buzz, what are you doing?
Grandma, I am making a circle on the ground with this stick. Then they can all stand on it and pass the ball.
Is
How
this a
have you
circle?
drawn, Buzz?
No,
You
ma'am.
call this a circle? What kind of shape is this?
It is something like
Grandma,
water is
Chinu is
called.
making fun of me.
It is like
Chinu,
chapati.
stop that. It is not easy to make a circle. Okay, now all of you try to make a circle. Let us see if you can make it. Children, why don't you also try and make a circle? You can make it with a stick on the ground like Minu and Chinu, or you can make a circle in your notebook with your pencil. Okay, begin all of you. Draw it slowly and carefully. I will wait for you.
Grandma, this is my circle. It doesn't look good.
I don't think even my circle is good also. My circle also doesn't look like a proper circle. Grandma, look at Chinu's circle. Even his circle is not good. He was making fun of me. Buzz, but it is better than yours. But Grandma, how can we make a good circle on the ground?
I will tell you how to make a circle. Chinu, go get that small rope lying near the couch. Thank you. Now, let me tie a small stick to both the ends. Thank you, Raja. Thank you, Buzz. Let me tie tightly now. Now, I will place one stick on the ground like this, and then I will draw a circle with the other stick.
Oh, that's a
Will you
perfect
try this
circle,
at home
Grandma.
today, students?
It
Ma'am,
looks
it's like
so
that.
Yes,
I will try to the
yes,
right
Grandma,
It's like a yeah,
I
it's
will.
like a protector. The compass they have.
Ma'am, the time is also up.
Yes, I know.
It's like the
This
compass.
mute yourself.
The grandma is
Mute yourself, Divehan. This is like the compass they have. made, right? So you also try. The bigger the size of the rope you will take, your circle will be bigger. जितना बड़ा rope आप लोगे उतना बड़ा ही circle आपका बनेगा from the center when you put.
Ma'am,
And then
one day I tried this, but I couldn't make this.
you take the that nail, no nail.
Yes, I have taken one thread and two pencils, but I tried, but I couldn't do that one.
Okay, okay.
I'll
But
try
try
one.
this on the in the mud area. It will be easy for you to draw.
The length of the rope is equal to the length of the radius of the circle. I learned this in school, but I did not know that I can make a circle with a rope like this.
Length of the radius? What is that, Meenu?
But you know we measure a square or a rectangle with the scale. It is easy to know the length of the side of
This video I will continue in
Bye.
the next class also. Okay. So today I will send you the worksheet based on the parts of a circle. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.